How should you capitalise on opportunities presented by the shift to electric vehicles? Should you invest in AGVs or AMRs to cut costs and shorten lead times? How can you meet consumer demand for product innovation? Will proposed battery manufacturing facility achieve its targets? These are just some of the complex issues facing the fast-changing automotive industry. To answer them with confidence, you need trusted insights into the implications of such decisions and process changes. Witness predictive simulation software creates digital twins of your facilities and operations, unlocking the value in your existing data sources and empowering you with the evidence-based decision-making. Witness enables you to accelerate change across your business. With powerful and flexible process modeling functionality and feature-rich reporting, it's easy to visualize solutions to complex challenges and make evidence-based decisions for everything from new facility design to automation investment justification. Witness helps you enhance production capability and capacity. Replicating the range and complexity of real-life problems, it tests and validates the design and performance of proposed facilities, operations and processes, helping you to reduce lead times, minimize CAPEX and OPEX costs, and meet your ever-evolving consumer demands. Witness improves stakeholder buy-in. Supercharge your internal business case with in-depth performance insights and immersive visual experience, engaging stakeholders and securing buy-in for new ideas or CAPEX requirements. Request a demo and see how Witness can help you make smarter business decisions.